Hey guys, welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas series. I will be creating Christmas gifts for the next 12 days straight. Every single day, that's right, I will be creating something new, something fun. If it's the 7th day of Christmas, I may be creating 7 gifts. Do you remember that Christmas haul I done just a few weeks ago? If not, go check it out on my channel. I got a bunch of good stuff from Dollar Tree, and now you get to see me create all of these amazing gifts from those items. So on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave me nothing, but that's not the point. On the first day of Christmas, I will be making this beautiful basket. We're gonna start with some white decorative shredding to keep all of our goodies in one place so it's not moving all around. The amount of goodies that we have going in this basket is so yummy. So here's our shredding to fluff it up. Then we're gonna add some vanilla popcorn. Yes, I said vanilla. So as you can see, it is green, red, caramel, vanilla popcorn. I've never tried it before, but whoever gets this basket, I'm sure will love it. Then we have some Grinch Hershey chocolate kisses. Everybody loves the Grinch, just a little bit, right? Then it's going to be followed by some more chocolate. We have a really big Santa Claus milk bar. So good, guys, so good. Now we're gonna add this Christmas tree shaped Belgian chocolate bar. It has the colorful sprinkles on it. So scrumptious. Also, I was thinking about adding the money chocolate bar, but I don't think I'm going to add it. So we're gonna go ahead and get our last item that we're putting in it, which is this cute reindeer stuffed animal that has 3 Reese's cups attached. So we're just going to stuff that in the front, and then we're going to go ahead and move to closing the basket. Yes, so the basket will be wrapped up in a cellophane bag with a beautiful ribbon on it. So let's get into it. If you have any Easter basket bags left over, this is basically what I am using. Sometimes they come pretty large, so what you can do is tie it up and then cut it, or in my case, stick around and you will see me shrink wrap it in a way. We're going to get our heat gun, but first we are going to wrap this up as tight as we can get, and then we're going to be putting a ribbon around it. I may use this ribbon, which is gray and white. I think maybe red. So we're going to go with red. Now this red ribbon says just for you with a little heart on the end. Isn't that cute? So we're going to go ahead with this ribbon. And once we tie it up, we're going to go ahead and get our heat gun, and then we are going to shrink wrap the edges, the bottom. Now, as you can see here, I have tied the ribbon around the bag, but I have not actually made the bow. So basically, you want to make it nice and tight, but you also want to leave just a little bit of space, because once we shrink wrap the plastic, it's going to pull everything, and you don't want it to pull too tight where it ends up creating holes in the bag. So we will tie the ribbon at the end. So here you will see me continue to do that second edge. And then once the edges are done, we're going to go ahead and do the main part. The edges are pretty much the easiest. And then, of course, the bottom I should say, is the easiest. The edges are the second easiest. And then the middle of the bag is where it gets a little tricky. But we're going to go ahead and get it done. Now that we have shrink wrapped most of the basket, we're going to go ahead and tie our pretty bow and make sure that the writing is what is shown. Tie it tight just like that so the stuff does not come out. And voila, there is your Christmas Santa sleigh Christmas basket. Can you guess what I'll be making for the second day of Christmas?